What is going on, y'all? This is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, the creator of PCS TUBEGROWTH, the YouTube ranking extension. But today, I'm going to show you some new exciting stuff on how you can use it for Facebook and have more engagement and pop out to the masses. We are actually on level number 1, update 27. So this is my YouTube ranking extension here. So it has 15 apps in one, and we're also going to be doing some new API access for 2 new programs I'm going to be creating. A video rank tracker and a video ranker. But what I love here is we now have this new button here where we can open in a new tab. So you click this and it now has an options page where it can be in its own tab and you can work and not lose any of your stuff. So what we're going to be looking at today on Facebook is creating highly engaging Facebook posts without having to hit enter and do a lot of spaces, so that you can get your message across and you can format the post nicely without automatically posting it, and we can have a lot of pretty stuff in there. So inside of PCS TUBEGROWTH, which is the YouTube ranking extension with 15 apps, we have the emoji picker and pretty text. And what I love about this is now we can go ahead and create. So we're easily able to format our posts so that we have lines in between what we want. We can have bold text. We can have a wide range of emojis, quickly and easily able to get what we want in there. And you can also have canned text. So if you always use these same hashtags, you can go ahead and save this and just click one click of the button and have all of those hashtags put into the post as well. So let's go ahead and dive in. So you see here that we have different variations of bold. You can put hashtags. You can put all sorts of stuff. So let's go ahead and get in here inside of our options page for PCS TUBEGROWTH, and we can start crafting our description here. Let's see. So we can type in what we want here, and see that we have all different kinds of ways to be able to make this stand out. And so we're going to go ahead and select the first bold option here. We're going to go ahead and select our second bold here. And then after this, we're going to go ahead and put an enter inside. So we can quickly go ahead and craft this that I already have pre-built in, check marks and arrows and dots. So right here, we're going to do some check marks. So we have add bold text, create line breaks, include pretty text. We're going to add underlines. We can also add pre-made emoji excitement callouts like these guys here. Let's do the cowboy today. We can also decide to show your love on a post right here. We are very excited and showing our love. You can also applaud their victories. And what I love is now you can do it all in its own tab next to Facebook. So not only is it great for YouTube and YouTube ranking, but it also works for Facebook. So this is our party here. So now we're going to go ahead and add one of our canned text links. So we're going to add the link for PCS TUBEGROWTH. So right here, we have our call to action call out and our link. And then we're going to go ahead and say now with Facebook structured post building, we're going to go ahead and make that bold. And like I said, we also have our canned text, and we're going to have our canned text of our hashtags that we use on every post. So we'll have our hashtags down here on the end. And so we now have a 1,000-character post that we made in 2 minutes, and it is structured. It has all of the stuff that we want in here, and it's going to pop out. It's going to stand out so that it calls more attention when people are looking at the feed. It's like a scroll stopper. You can go ahead and try this out for 7 days for $1 going to PCSTubegrowth.com. And like I said, this is a YouTube ranking extension, but you can also use it for all social posting to have structured posts like this to be able to have them pop out and call out to people who are in their feeds. So now you can use it on multi-platforms. And if you want to get super crazy with it, we do have our emoji picker, which has every single emoji that you are allowed to do on every social platform. So you can quickly and easily get in here. But not only that, it also has a quick search inside so that you can search for anything that you are looking for. So let's say we're just looking for money, and it has everything that goes from, and you can also see the most frequently used ones that you have. So if you use one a lot, you will actually be able to use it quickly. And on the bottom there, you see it tells you exactly what it is. Kissing heart, face throwing a kiss, smiling face with heart-shaped eyes. So you can actually search by keyword to be able to find exactly what you're looking for. If you need poop or you need a lot of other things, you can find them quickly. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you soon. Super awesome update. And like I said, we're going to be having a special offer for the people who are previous users of PCS TUBEGROWTH. We're going to be coming out with 2 new apps. We'll have API access inside the extension. So I'm going to be making a special offer to all of those people who were on the lifetime for PCS TUBEGROWTH. You're going to be able to get a special lifetime offer for the video rank tracker, which will actually show you visually your videos on each channel and be able to see everything that you rank for on YouTube. And then we're going to be extending it to Google and Google Video as well. And we're also going to be building out a secret video ranker, and you will also have access to be able to get a one-time lifetime offer if you are a lifetime PCS TUBEGROWTH user. I will talk to you soon. New, exciting, big things coming.